Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to my channel, back again with another video. And in today's video I'll be sharing 5 tips and tricks that you could get the most out of your Samsung Galaxy phone. So watch this video till very end. Okay, have that said, now let's get started. This first one is phone app. If you just open the dialer, tap on these 3 dots and then select settings. Here you will see a new option called Bixby Takes Calls, and what it basically does is once you enable this option, Bixby, which is Samsung virtual assistant, can talk on your behalf when you can't take calls. So now there's no need for you to reject calls anymore. You just need to type your response and it will be translated back into voice. Next, if you want to know how I got these round icons on my phone, then here's what you need to do. So basically these are Samsung stock icons, and to get that, simply go to Galaxy Store and download Good Lock. And once you install Good Lock, simply open and download Theme Park. Once this is done, select the icon, then click Create New. Here you can easily change shape of your icons like this. You can also change color or increase size as well. Once it's done, just give it a name and click on Save, then click on Apply. Since we are in customization, let me show you another cool trick that allows you to have different wallpaper every time you lock or unlock your phone. So you can see right now I have this wallpaper, and if I lock and unlock my phone, I have a fresh wallpaper. All these are handpicked by me, and these are not automatically generated by Samsung services. Now let me show how you can easily set up multiple wallpapers on your lock screen. Just go to your gallery and select an album where you saved all your favorite wallpapers that you have downloaded from Backdrops or any other wallpaper apps. Now select all their wallpaper in that album, tap on these 3 dots, select Set as Wallpaper, finally click on Done. Now you will have fresh wallpapers each time you lock or unlock your phone. Next, let me show you a useful feature that's been added to One UI 5.1. Again, if you open Gallery app, tap on this menu button, then select Settings. You'll get the option about Gallery. Just go and tap this multiple times until you see Gallery Lab is enabled. Now if you go back, you'll find a new option called Gallery Lab. Simply open. Now with One UI 5.1, where you'll see a option Support Save as PDF file. Once you turn it on, you'll be able to convert multiple pictures in your gallery as PDF file. Now let me show you how this actually works. To do this, you need to select multiple pictures that you want to convert, then tap on this option called Create. You'll see at the bottom there's a option called Save as PDF file. Just click on it and all your images gets converted into PDF files and get saved inside the Files app. Okay guys, last but not least, when I need to open apps on a pop-up window, I just need to double tap on the back of my phone, and I think it is quickest way to open apps on a pop-up window. To activate this new cool feature, again you would need a Good Lock application, and this time install Register. Now open Register, select back tap action, where you can choose from the list what you want. Guys, I highly recommend this new cool feature. You will enjoy while using it. Okay guys, coming to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button, and if you're new here, do check out my other videos, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for my future videos, and if you have any question or comments or concern, hit me down below and I'll get back to you. Until then, take care, goodbye.